Now this is the Keychron K2HE. Now this is a Hall effect board that beats almost any gaming keyboard you've ever seen on the market. Crazy thing is this one has even won multiple awards. Solid metal top housing, insane amount of silicone to dampen the sound, with a full online controller to change actuation, rapid trigger, and everything. Sensitive enough for even 0.1 actuation distance. Built-in macro suite, and a fully adjustable RGB as well. If you're trying to go for performance, stop looking at gaming keyboards and get an actual professional level keyboard. Now the Keychron K2HE has been selling out like crazy. There's like 10 of these left in stock. I'm gonna link this in the bottom left so you can check it out for yourself. But what are your thoughts on the Hall effect award-winning Keychron K2HE?